Hello everyone and welcome back to Toys with Voice. Today we'll be opening up the Chilling Rain Build-In Battle. So, first of all, we should open it up. Here we go. So we have this sheet. That's number one, and then our 1, 2, 3, 4 booster packs, Chilling Rain. And this is a promo card. Passamian, Glimwood Tangle, Level Ball, Karina's Focus, Pokey Kid, Sonia, Rapid Strike Energy, Diglett, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, actually 3 Digletts. Trio, Professor's Research, Karina's Focus, Bruno, and then Sobble. He looks so sad. Sobble, more Sobbles, and then Drizzle evolves from Sobble. 2 Dribbles, 3 Dribbles, and then Inteleon evolves from Drizzle. And our code card, as usual. Now let's go for the booster packs. So we have this Chilling Rain, again Chilling Rain, and Chilling Rain, and Chilling Rain. All of them Chilling Rain. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with the first one. Here we go. Rockruff. Oh wait, I forgot to do the card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy, Impact Energy, caught this one, Path to the Peak, again Drizzle, and our Rockruff, Swirlix, Lapras, and then we have the Deerling, Galarian Slowpoke, and Sneasel. We have Gallade. On to the next booster pack. code card. My, so many code cards. Crab Roller, Score Bunny, Grookey, Aron, I don't know, Snorunt, and Malamar. Is that reverse? Volcanion V. Looks strong. And then Energy, Lucky Energy, Galarian Chestplate, and Flaffy. Looks like a sheep. Yeah. On to the next booster pack. Galarian Farfetch'd, Porygon, Heracross, Sobble, Squovet, Furfo. Oh, I see. Celebi VMAX. Oh my goodness. Water Energy, Caitlyn, Lucky Energy, Galarian Chestplate. Wait, we already had a Galarian Chestplate. Never mind. Blitzel, Aron, Deerling, Delibird, delivers presents, Larvesta, I don't know, Flannery, Shallow Rider Calyrex V. Is this? I can't believe it. Look. Energy, Flannery, Rugged Helmet, Crabbo Mineable, and Code Card. That's all of the booster packs. Bye bye.